Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for all the subscribers and the thumbs up. Really helps out the situation here. I'm going to make a drink today called MEZCAL MOLLY. It comes in at 23%. Let's get started. I'm going to use the Maguey VIDA Mezcal. This is 80 proof. You can use any mezcal of your choice. Some of the other ones have a bit higher proof, like 90. So changes the ABV a little bit. And 1 lime juice, Persian, fresh squeezed. Very simple drink, easy to make. And 1/2 clover honey syrup. This is 2 honey and 1 water. 1/2. All right, I'm going to put this, shake it actually with about 4 chunks of ice. Cool it off. And I've got a coupe glass here with ice shard in it. This is my choice. I like to keep my drink cool. And I'm going to rim the glass with a bit of lime. You can put chili salt on the rim if you like. I don't want to ruin the taste of the mezcal. So let's go ahead and put that in there. I can already smell the smoke. Smells wonderful. There it is, MEZCAL MOLLY. Let me give this a taste. Oh yeah, Smoky with honey and of course lime. Great drink. If you're in the mood to subscribe, there's a brown icon right there. And we'll see you next time.